welcome back to my channel. Y'all coming with another dish. I've been wanting to make this for so long, and today I'm going to make it hot. I'm gonna show y'all how I make mine. Now I got a little add-ons that I ain't supposed to be putting in here, but I'm gonna put me some mushrooms in here because I want some. I just feel like it's gonna be fun. But these are all my ingredients. Boom, 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 boom. I'm about to get started, y'all. I'll be right back. Alrighty, y'all. So I'm cutting my bacon up, and I'm about to add my bacon to a hot pot, to my favorite part. I'm about to get this bacon going. Hold on, y'all. So boom. We're gonna get this broke down. Get us some good oil in there. Let this cook. In the oil. Break it down. I won't make this video too long, y'all, so I'm gonna be clipping and cutting. So I'll be right back. So while I wait on my bacon, y'all see your girl rocking the cowboy. I'm gonna play. You know, even though we lost, it's all good. It's all good. So yeah, while we waiting on the bacon to fry up, I'm gonna be opening these up, taking the casing off just like this, and I'll show you. I'm just gonna take my casing off. You can peel it off or pull it off, however you want. So yeah, just taking the casing off like this and using this sausage. Because I don't need the casing, I just want the sausage out of it. Don't need the casing, just the sausage. Take the casing off, y'all. And I'm gonna do all of these like this. I got 10 to open up all 10 and get the sausage out. And I will be right back. Alrighty, y'all. So we got all our sausage out. That is 10. Yeah, that look kind of ugly. Yeah. We got those out. So we're gonna get our bacon out. I got my bacon. It's all done. And we're gonna just take this out. We're gonna leave a little bit of that bacon grease in there. And I'll show y'all what I do next. Alright, right. Alrighty, so now I got that cooked down a little bit, y'all. I'm gonna add this to the, we're just gonna put it to the side. I'm about to take this off the heat, put it to the side. I'm gonna add my sausage to the same hot pot, but I'm just gonna put my onions to the side right now. I don't wanna cook them inside of my sausage, so I'm gonna put this to the side and cook my sausage, and I'll show y'all how I do that. Alright, so I'm gonna add my sausage, y'all. That's like about 1.5 pounds of sausage. Probably. Give or take about 1.5 pounds. And I'm just gonna break those up. Break those sausages up. Like that. Break it up. So I'm gonna break these down, y'all. Let it brown. Drain my grease, and then I'm gonna add start building my chicken. I'm gonna add my onions back, and then I'm gonna add my chicken broth and my heavy cream and all that. So I'll be right back when it's brown. Okay, y'all, so I got 6 potatoes. I'm about to cut these potatoes up. Now I want to keep the skin on because I know Olive Garden keep their skin on, so I may just keep my skin on. So I'm gonna wash these up real good, and I'm just gonna chop them in little pieces, and I'll show y'all how small in just a minute. Be right back. Alright, y'all, so I'm just gonna chop my potatoes in little bitty pieces. So that's how mine, like, you know, not too small, a little small. So I'm about to do all 6 of my potatoes like this. And I'm gonna finish letting my sausage still browning. We getting there. We wanna burn it. Just letting them cook, y'all. Letting this finish. Once I get this all browned up, I'm gonna show y'all the next step. So, be right back. So y'all see it. Testing it out. I gotta test it. So I'm about to drain this little oil that's at the bottom. I don't want too much grease in my soup. And I'll show y'all what I do next. Alright. Alrighty, y'all. So I got some chicken stock. Just a regular best choice cooking stock chicken flavor. So we're gonna add the whole thing in one paint. I guess that's what this is. Or one container, you know, the box container. Have one of those in. It's a lot. I think you're supposed to add 2, but I'm gonna go with 1 right now, and I'll add some water and some of my chicken bouillon as I go. So I'm gonna add my onion and my garlic back into this. Back into the pot. Give me all that. Now, at this point, I'm going to add of half and half cream, but I'm gonna use just a half of it, so it's probably 1 cup. I'm gonna do that just like that. So, boom. You know what? Forget it. We're gonna use the whole thing. So we're gonna use the whole thing. Oh, should be good though. So we're gonna bring this back to a boil. I'm probably gonna add like a cup of water and a little bit of bouillon, and I'll show y'all how much I use. Be right back. Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna use just a little chicken flavor bouillon. I'm gonna sprinkle a little in here, and I'm gonna add a cup of water. Hold on. So this is all I added, y'all. I just added about 2 tablespoons of this, some black pepper to my mix, and 1 full cup. This is like 8 ounces, maybe 8 ounces. Now, I had let this come to a boil, but I cut it down a little bit, so I'm gonna add my potatoes. I washed my potatoes. I got 6 potatoes right here, and I'm gonna add them right in, just like that. I'm gonna let that go. I'm gonna add my mushrooms. I know mushrooms is not in the recipe, but I wanted some because I like mushrooms. So 1 full thing of mushrooms. And I'm also going to add back my meat. Add back my meat. So, let that come back to a boil. And I'll show y'all the rest. I'm getting ready to cut up my kale, and I'll show y'all how I cut my kale. Let's put it in almost to the end. Alright, right back. We came back to a boil. I'm trying to stand to the side so steam won't go in my camera. So it's coming back to a boil. I got it on high. I'm about to turn it down low. So I'm turning like mid, not mid, but you know, close to mid, like almost mid. And let those creams and those juices and all that stuff come together. And then I'm gonna add my kale in about 15 minutes. And then my potatoes get soft, and then I add my kale. Yep. Be right back. Okay, y'all, so my potatoes are halfway done. Everything is boiling up nicely. Everything is boiled up nicely, y'all. So they halfway done. I'm gonna show y'all I think I'm gonna bake it to the side. That's my toppings. So I'm gonna show y'all my kale. So I did about I didn't use a lot, but I did do like 1 bunch and a half. So I did like a, you know, bunch and a half. And now I'm about to add this in now. And I'm gonna let this cook down for about 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, we're gonna let this go, and it shall be done. I'll see y'all in 15. Don't that look good? I know it. Be back in 15. 15 minutes. I just want to show y'all once I got the greens in, how it look. All right. 15 minutes. Sorry for the TV being so loud, y'all. My mama, she kind of hard hearing. So, yeah, she got it blasting. Sorry, y'all. Hopefully y'all can hear me. And, yeah. 15 minutes, I'll be back, y'all. Show y'all the finished product. Alright. Alrighty, y'all. It is done. I want to show y'all my ingredients, and they're looking all yummy and oozy. Look at that. Got them potatoes in there. That kale. I put mushrooms in mine because I love mushrooms. So I switched it up a bit, you know. I switched it up a bit. And the sausage, baby, with that good cream. Oh, yeah, honey. Yes, honey. I'm about to take this up. And I had meant to buy some bread, but I left out the store like a dummy and forgot to get my garlic bread. So, we just eating soup. But that is it, y'all. And I will show y'all my bowl at the end of this video. I hope y'all like this video. I hope y'all subscribe to my doggone channel. Help your girl hit. I'm almost to 1,000. Road to 1K. I hope y'all enjoyed this, though. I love y'all so much. Even if you don't subscribe, just hit the like button for me, and I really appreciate it. Oh, bless you. That's my baby. Coronavirus. I'm just playing, but y'all, this is it. And thank y'all so much for watching. As usual, I love you guys. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Okay, right here, y'all. Now, y'all know y'all can drain it oil off the top of your soup if you want to. I left mine because I felt like it would add more flavor. So, yeah, I left a little bacon grease and a little sausage grease. So, that's what you see in the ring of the bowl. And it was good. I mean, good, honey. So, thank y'all for watching again. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you don't, just hit a like. You know, give me a like. Get your girl a like. And I love you guys. I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.